What is going on, guys? So it's the next day after work last night. I got home about 4 o'clock, and actually probably like 4:30, and I just couldn't sleep without like looking to see what was wrong with this thing. So I came out here and well, I don't know why, but I messaged a lot. I was talking to a lot of people on Instagram last night, and then I just saw one comment on YouTube. This guy, he's like, your timing's off. He gave me a time mark on my last video, and I was like, oh, you know what? You're right. So when I lined these up, I lined them up like up here, and they lined up, but they're like pointing upwards a little bit. Now I don't know why I did it, but you know, not very educated. But if you can see it, not educated on this topic at least, you can see they're dead line now with where the valve cover meets the head. Back there, they're supposed to line up just like that. So I got that. Anyways, so what I did was I came here. I was gonna pull the motor out, but I was like really not wanting to do that. So I was like, all right, let me look. People say they do it plenty of times with the motor in the car. So I was like, all right, I'll give it a shot. And all you have to do is take out the two motor mounts, and this motor mount up here and the front one, and it goes up and down pretty good. I got everything out. I got it redone, retimed. Everything lines up now perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this put back together. Right now it's about 9:30, so I've been working on this. I was researching everything. Probably started like 6:30. I was fiddling around, but then I waited till it got light out at like 7 a.m. and I made a tool. Since I told you guys how I never bought the special tools for the timing. Well, let me show you how I use this real quick. I thought it was cool. So you need the special tool in there for the smiley face tensioner, and I didn't need it when I was working outside the car. Look how much corrosion's already on this thing. It's whatever, oxidation. I didn't need it when the motor was outside the car, but now it's a tight fit. So I ended up making this tool. It fits in there in the smiley face like this. It worked out perfectly, and I just twisted it. So that's my little needle nose that turned into this. I actually used these originally too, but I didn't have to modify them like this. But that worked. This is my first mock-up. I used a 12mm bolt, and I had these are snap ring, but these things weren't strong enough. They just bend, but it kind of worked, but it wouldn't tension the belt enough. So I got these things. Just figured I'd share that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. Put swap the firing order to what it's supposed to be, not the stock one. Hopefully I didn't bend any valves. Praying. Make sure the CAS is good, and I don't see why it shouldn't start up. So let's get to it. All right, guys. So she's done. Reset the CAS, made sure it's good. Hooked everything back up, because honestly this morning I drained the coolant, the water, and started unhooking stuff, and I was like, hold on, let's go inside and read some stuff. Ended up not pulling the motor. Very happy I chose not to, because this wave was not that bad as I thought it would be. So I'm gonna go in and try to start it. I'm gonna edit this video and put it up, and then go to sleep. I'm gonna go ahead and get the jump pack on it, and 1 minute. All right, so I just sprung a leak on the injector, one of them, so I just went and replaced the seal. See what's going on. Look into this a little more. Get back with you. All right, guys. So it's a bit later. I just rewired the whole CAS. 4 wires coming out of it. 3 of them go to this. 1 of them go to the stock cam sensor. This is the crankshaft sensor, crank sensor, whatever you want to call it. And that's the cam. So should be good now. I got to run this underneath. Probably made this way longer than it needs to be, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and run this over there, plug it in. I just hope this stuff works, man. I hope this was the problem. It looked fine to me, but who knows. Let's give it a go. Alright guys, so rewired the CAS, set everything up. Hope and pray. A bit of a mess over here, but I'm a little happy. So guys, I'm just gonna let this soak in for a minute and I'll get back with you in a minute. Alright guys, so I got a couple things to clean up. I made a little bit of mess, and as expected, some nasty water came out of this. This motor was sitting for God knows how long. I'm just happy. Did not bend any valves. The timing was off. So, yeah, I fixed that. Redid the whole CAS wiring as you saw. Alright, there's my dog. No leaks. This is all just overflow when I had the cap off, letting it burp. Got to put this back. All little stuff now, and then, you know, put everything else back. But man, I'm super happy that this is running. Let's go ahead and give it one last start. Give it a little rip. Only other thing that's weird is that it's not getting power to the OBD2. So I'm not sure. I had that problem once, but it ended up just being like a fuse or something. But whatever. The battery's dead. The truck I turned off. It's not dead, but it's not optimal charge. The oil light, I don't have the sensor that's on my, I'll show you. I took it off. The sensor that goes on the back of there, it didn't fit, so I'm gonna have to look for an oil pressure sensor. And so right now, but I shouldn't let it run too long because it's just an open down pipe, but she's gonna send it real quick. Just hear it. Let's flip this mic around, you deserve it. Alright, so that's it, guys. Let me turn this mic back around, or it's gonna be too quiet. So yeah, that's it. I've been working all day. What time is it? It's 4:15. I've been out here since like 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning. You know, haven't been working on it 100%. I had to go meet my girlfriend. She got in an accident, and so I took a little bit of time. But man, I'm just so happy that I stayed up. I couldn't sleep, and yeah, I'm just glad I pushed through and I found the problem. I should have. Guys, I redid this wiring for the CAD sensor like 2 or 3 times, thinking I had it 100%. So I just went back, followed to a T again. I didn't even see a problem when I took it apart. But that's besides the point. Car's timed, everything's good. Next video is gonna be putting everything back together. I might take a day break because I gotta go to sleep soon. I got work tonight, and tomorrow probably not gonna work on it. So maybe Monday night you guys should have a video maybe. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Man, this thing's come a long way, and super excited. I also put gas in it today because I thought that was a problem. I would have killed myself if that was the problem only. But no, it's great. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.